everyone, welcome back to Maths for Kids. My name is Jocelyn. In this video we will be looking at time problems.
What time is it? On the clock, the time is 5 o'clock. What time will it be in 3 hours? Do you know that when the minute hand goes around the clock one full time, that means it has been 1 hour? If the minute hand went across the clock one full circle, that means it will be 6 o'clock right now. But we need to find out what time it will be in 3 hours. So the minute hand has to move around the clock 3 times fully. When it moves around the clock one time, that means it will be 6 o'clock. When it moves around the second time, that means it will be 7 o'clock. And last, when it turns around one more time, that means it is 8 o'clock. So, what time will it be in 3 hours? It will be 8 o'clock in 3 hours. What time will it be in 2 hours and 15 minutes? First, we have to go to the hour hand and move it 2 hours. Every 1 hour, the minute hand goes around the clock fully. So, the minute hand has to go around the clock fully 2 times because we are finding 2 hours afterwards. After this happens, the hour hand will be on the 7 because we have added 2 hours to 5 o'clock, which gives us 7 o'clock. But we still need to add on the 15 minutes. Right now, the minute hand is pointing at the 60. We need to add 15 minutes to it. We go to 5, then 10, then 15. That means when we see both the hands on the clock together, we know that the time is 7:15. So the time it will be in 2 hours and 15 minutes is 7:15. Tom and Jerry watch TV for 2 hours and 20 minutes. What will be the time after they finish watching if they started at 5 o'clock? First, we go to the hour hand and move it 2 hours. When we move it 2 hours, it will turn into the 7. That means it will be 7 o'clock. And we need to add on the 20 minutes. We go to the hour hand. The hour hand is pointing at the 60. We add 20 minutes to it. We go to 5, then we go to 10, then we go to 15, and next we go to 20. When we see both the hands together on a clock, we can see that the time is 20 minutes past 7. What time is it? The time is 8:30. What time will it be in 2 hours? We have to go to the hour hand and add 2 more hours to it. It becomes 9:30, then 10:30. So the time it will be in 2 hours is 10:30. What time will it be in 3 hours and 45 minutes? First, we go to the hour hand and move it 3 hours. The 8:30 becomes 9:30, then 10:30, and last 11:30. But we still need to add the 45 minutes. So, it will be easier if we split the 45 into 30 minutes and 15 minutes because 30 add 15 gives us 45. As you can see, the minute hand is pointing directly at the 6. The 6 represents 30 minutes. We have to add 30 minutes to that 30 minutes. That gives us 60 minutes. 60 minutes represents the 12, so the minute hand should be pointing directly at the 12. When we see both hands together on a clock, we know that the time says 11:15. So the time it will be in 3 hours and 45 minutes is 11:15. Tom gets chased by Spike for 25 minutes and then he goes to find a bone. When does Spike stop chasing Tom if he started at 8:30? To do this, we have to go to the minute hand because we are not finding any hours. We have to add 25 minutes to 30. That becomes 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. The 55 represents 11. So the minute hand should be directly pointing at the 11. When we see this on the clock, the time it says 5 minutes to 9. What time is it? The time is 20 minutes past 2. What time will it be in 4 hours? We have to go to the hour hand and move it 4 hours. When the minute hand goes around the clock once, it is 1 hour afterwards. We have to do this 4 times. So the time becomes 20 minutes past 3, then 20 minutes past 4, then 20 minutes past 5, and last 20 minutes past 6. So the time will be 20 minutes past 6. What time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? First, we go to the hour hand and move it 1 hour. That gives us 20 minutes past 3. But we still need to add on the 30 minutes. So we go to the minute hand. The minute hand is pointing directly at the 4. We have to add 30 minutes to it. It becomes 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. When we see both the hands together on a clock, we know that the time is 10 minutes to 3. So the time it will be in 1 hour and 30 minutes is 10 minutes to 3. Tom and Jerry played on a trampoline for 2 hours and 5 minutes. If they started at 20 minutes past 2, what time did they stop? First, we need to go to the hour hand and move it 2 hours. That gives us 20 minutes past 3, then 20 minutes past 4. We still need to add on the 5 minutes. So we go to the minute hand and add 5 minutes to it. It turns from 20 to 25. When we see the clock, we know that the time is 25 minutes past 4. What time is it? The time is 15 minutes to 7. What time will it be in 6 hours? First, we have to go to the hour hand and move it 6 hours. So it becomes 15 minutes to 8, 15 minutes to 9, 15 minutes to 10, 15 minutes to 11, 15 minutes to 12, and 15 minutes to 1. So the time it will be in 6 hours is 15 minutes to 1. What time will it be in 1 hour and 10 minutes? To do this, go to the hour hand first and add 1 hour. That will become 15 minutes to 8. We have to add the 10 minutes on next. So we go to the minute hand and add 10 minutes to 45. That becomes 50, then 55. So the time it will be in 1 hour and 10 minutes is 5 minutes to 8. Tom and Jerry had a long nap for 2 hours and 5 minutes. If they slept at 15 minutes to 7, when did they wake up? First, we have to go to the hour hand and move it 2 hours. The 15 minutes to 7 becomes 15 minutes to 8. Next, 15 minutes to 9. We have to add 5 minutes to this. As you can see, the minute hand is pointing directly at the 45. We have to add 5 minutes to this, which becomes 50. When we see the clock, we know that the time is 15 minutes to 9. So Tom and Jerry woke up at 15 minutes to 9. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand how to do time problems. Please like and subscribe. Carry on practicing. See you soon for my next video. Bye!